In this video, I'm going to show you how to install both Python 3 as well as PyCharm on Windows 10. First, what you're going to want to do is go to python.org and downloads, and then just click here that you want to download Python 3.7 or whatever version currently Python is set for. You're then going to come down here, one up from the bottom where it says Windows x86 executable installer, and click on that. You're then going to see this little window pop up down here. You're going to want to click on open. This guy's going to open up, and you're going to click here where it says install launcher for all users, and then add Python 3.7 to your path, and then click install now. This window is going to open up. You're going to click yes that you want to allow this app to make changes. The installation is going to take a little bit of time, and you're going to see this message when it's successful. Click on close. Then what you're going to want to do is come in here and type in %appdata with another % and hit enter. And then come up here and double click on this folder. Whenever you do, you're going to see your users directory with your name with appdata and local. You want to come down here and double click on programs. Whenever you do, you're going to see the Python folder is installed in this directory, and then specifically the Python version that you have in that Python folder. And you can see these folders right here, and if you double click on the Python executable right here, you're going to have an interactive tool that you can use to code with Python. And this is the specific application that will open up. You can come in here and test that you have Python 3.7 installed properly by typing in print with parentheses and quotes around the word hello world and hit enter, and you're going to see hello world pop up here. But we're going to be using PyCharm to develop applications. You can, of course, use any IDE that you would like, but I specifically like PyCharm. And you're going to be able to get it for free at jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Just click on download. We're going to be using the free version of PyCharm, so just come over here where it says community and click on download again. Whenever you do, you're going to see this little guy pop up down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Click on open. Whenever you do, you're going to want to check that you want this application to be able to work with your device, so click on yes. This is going to open up. Click on next. You can decide where you want to put your installation, but I would use the default and click on next. You're going to want to put a check mark in every single one of these boxes and then click on next. It's a good idea to not change this and click on install. That's going to take a little bit of time to install. And whenever it's all set up, you're going to see this window. I would come down here and just click on reboot now and click on finish. Whenever you'd go and double click that you want to open up PyCharm, then you're going to see this message. Just put a check right here where it says do not import settings and click on OK. This is going to pop up. Put a little check inside of here and click on continue. You're then going to decide if you want to share information with JetBrains or not. And then this little window is going to show up. You can decide if you want a dark theme or a light theme and click on featured plugins. I wouldn't worry about any of these and just click that you want to start using PyCharm. This PyCharm window is going to open up. You're going to want to click here where it says create new project. You're going to then give your project whatever name you would like. I used Python Tut. Everything else here should be perfectly fine. You can see that it's using the interpreter that we just installed, which is the 3.7 version of PyCharm. Click on create. Whenever you do, PyCharm is going to open up and you can see your project directory over here. You're going to want to right click on that guy and then come up here and click on new and Python file. Whenever you do, this window is going to open up. I just typed in hello world as the name of my Python file to test that the installation is complete and click on Python file. Then we can come in and test our installation by just typing in print with parentheses and quotes around the word hello world, and you're going to want to come up here where it says run and click on run. This is going to open up. Just hit your return key and your application is going to execute. And whenever it executes, you're going to see that hello world shows up in the bottom right hand side of the screen. If you want to move this code window over to the right side of the screen, you're just going to right click up here in this area and you're going to see move to and select right bottom. Whenever you do, all your code's going to show up on the right side of the screen. Hopefully you didn't have any issues, but if you did, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.